What's a word that starts with A? A. Have a think, what would you say? A. What's a word that starts with A? Airplane. Fly like an airplane round the room. 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 E. What's a word that starts with E? E. Have a think, now let me see. E. What's a word that starts with E? Elephant. Walk like an elephant, swing your trunk. 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 I. What's a word that starts with I? I. Have a think, what can we try? I. What's a word that starts with I? Insect. Crawl like an insect around the room. 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 Oh, what's a word that starts with O? Oh, have a think, what do you know? Oh, what's a word that starts with O? Octopus. Sway like an octopus, wave your arms. 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 You. What's a word that starts with you? You. Have a think, what could we do? You. What's a word that starts with you? Up. Point to the sky and jump up high. Point to the sky and jump up high. Point to the sky and jump up high. Point to the sky and jump up high.